Forsythia is not only a popular landscaping shrub, thanks to its beautiful yellow flowers signaling the arrival of spring, but its flowers and young leaves are edible, and it's also medicinal. Forsythia contains rutin, which has strong antioxidant properties. Rutin helps to protect and prolong the activity of vitamin C. Forsythia is high in oleanolic acid, which helps maintain healthy heart and blood pressure. In traditional Chinese medicine, Forsythia has been used for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Forsythia fruit is used internally for chills, fevers, headaches, muscle soreness, and expelling internal parasites. Externally, they are used for burns, cuts, scrapes, infections, and rashes. Forsythia tea from flowers or young leaves is used for colds, flu, tonsillitis, pharyngitis, to improve cholesterol levels, and to support cardiovascular functions. And as always, make sure you can accurately identify the plant you intend to eat or use medicinally, and double-check potential side effects and interactions.